Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we have another tutorial. I know I have been gone for so freaking long, but I am back and I would like to wish everybody a happy new year. I'm not going to ramble too much in this intro because but anywho, if you want to see how I achieve this look, please stay tuned and don't forget to comment down below and thumbs up this video and hit that subscribe button. Okay, so first I am starting off with this CNC cream. Now this is by the brand of Ruby Kisses. I got this from my local beauty supply store and I seen it for the first time and I was like, let me just try it. It's kind of sort of the same as the Pro Girl Concealer. I really like it, but anywho, after I do that, I'm going to go in with my Social Butter powder and I'm going to set that concealer on my eyes so I won't get any creasing or anything like that. So now I am taking this palette. I actually bought this palette from Amazon. I ordered it from Amazon and it's like it has about a I really like this palette. I use it a lot, but I'm going to take this brick color, that's what we're going to call it, brick, and I'm going to apply this to my transition section of my eye. So I'm just taking a fluffy brush and I'm applying that blending. And I'm still going to go back into that palette that we saw. And I'm going to take this darker color and I'm going to actually put that into my crease. You need to define that crease. I can't believe I've been gone. It's been like a whole week since I've been here. That's crazy. Okay, so just with windshield wiper motions, I'm just going back and forth and here we are. Alright guys, I'm drinking water. I'm going back in and I'm going to take this like one of the darkest browns and palette, and this time I'm just going to basically focus on the outer side of my area, but I'm still going to blend it into my eye. But you want to really kind of and then this is still the same color that I was doing before. Now I am going in with that CNC cream again, and I am going to create a cut crease with this so that we can apply our lid color. Okay, so like I'm not the best at cut creasing, but like you really get the point, honestly. So just take your time, which I tried to do, but whatever. Practice makes perfect. Like, I'm not coming on here and saying I'm the best makeup artist or the best this, the best that. because I have room to learn a lot. So yes, and you're gonna see now that this cut crease actually did not come out the same way as the first one did. Error number one. But makeup is full of trial and error. And it's okay. Okay, so next I am taking this W7 in the Night palette, and I am going to take this pinkish color that's in here, and it has like glitter in it, but I realized once I put it on my eye, it wasn't as sparkly as I thought it would be, and I really believe that's because of the concealer that I used. If I would have used like a NYX jumbo pencil and milk or something like that, I think it would have popped more. But as being as though I use like a tannish color for my base, before I put that on there, it didn't pop. It kind of washed it out. So maybe you can try it with a white jumbo pencil, but in the end it came out good because I ended up just putting glitter over top of it, which was really pretty. Okay, so now here I am taking Duo's eyelash glue actually for my adhesive for my glitter, and I just used a little bit and I just spreaded it out along that cut crease that I made. And you want to make sure everything is a nice thin layer and it's smooth, because you don't want any clumps of the glitter getting onto that. Now here, as you can see, like it's kind of clear and it's tacky. I'm gonna go ahead and put the glitter over top. Now this glitter is a glitter that I got these glitters from off of Amazon. I'm telling you guys, you're gonna hear me say Amazon a lot. Amazon is big. But I use a lot. I use like 3 different types of glitters, and I just put them all together. And that's how I got this. I don't want to call it iridescent, but I guess that's what you'll call it. That's how I got this look. But yeah. I'm just going to do the same thing to the